Welcome back to Second on Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. First of all, if you love watching videos that we do on this channel here, get this video to 1,000 likes. Likes is very important on the videos because it shows interaction. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, or actually taking you guys into Kurt's kitchen. You guys might have seen the video where he did the pastrami and a couple persons said he should start his own channel or whatever the case is. Now, I think it's important filming this because as a Caribbean person, as Kurt is, you know, moving to the United States and you're now shown all these different types of foods that might not be as flavorful, might not be as customary as you are, or maybe you find some stuff that you really like. It's a whole new world. It's a whole new ball game. And being here, I've tried some different dishes. I've seen him cook some different foods. So in today's video, we're going to see what Kurt's cooking in Kurt's kitchen. All right, so we are currently in a typical Miami kitchen, which is normally a smaller kitchen, right?
In a condo.
In a condo. So how do you find that, you know, all your creative genius?
You just got to make it work.
Got to make it work.
I've been in worse in New York.
Oh, I got you. I got you. So what are we working on today? What's...
All right, we're going to do
Oh, he got a casty.
That's right.
He got a cast iron. Why do you use cast iron pots?
It just sears better. And I can go from stovetop to oven.
Stovetop to oven right away.
Right.
What are we doing today?
We're doing a jerk pork loin with a pineapple salsa.
What inspired that? Like,
that's in my head.
That's in your head?
Yeah.
So jerk
I've done
chicken.
it before, so sometimes I do it with a mango salsa.
Okay.
But I have pineapples available, so I'm going to use that. So basically we're going to sear it off and then put it in the oven to finish.
Cool. Guys, Kurt doesn't want to start a channel, so again, get this video to 1,000 likes and I will hook him up on a channel, even if it's once per week or something. A video's gotta be dropped. So how did you season the pork?
Seasoned salt, soy sauce, black pepper, garlic powder, and Walker's with jerk seasoning.
Okay, cool. So we got the pork loins in.
Yep, so we're just going to sear it on all sides.
All sides.
And then we're going to put it in the oven and let it finish in there.
So you're going to sear it so you can hold the flavors
so
inside.
We can see the flavors inside, get the color we want.
Okay.
And then we'll finish it in the oven, bring it up to 10, and we'll be good to go. And then I'll make the salsa on the side.
It smells really freaking good.
Nice.
Yo, this is definitely a beautiful slab of meat. Like, where'd you get that?
It's pure lean. I got it at Aldi's. Which is, yeah, supermarket.
Yeah.
And believe it or not, that was only $6.50 for 2 loins.
$6.50. $6.50. What caused that? Like,
that's just how their prices are.
if I was to look at these pieces of meat in Jamaica, it would cost, wow, maybe like $20, around that range. About 15, 20 bucks. So, I mean, being someone that's from the Caribbean and now you have opportunities for these kinds of meats and it's cheaper, what do you think? Do you think like the Caribbean meats are more flavorful but more expensive? Or?
They are more flavorful.
More flavorful.
Definitely. I mean, this is organic.
Oh, it's organic?
Everything that is selling out is organic.
Okay.
So that's a plus. I really don't care. Well, yeah, when you go home, it's like, cause there's nothing preserved. It's more fresh.
Gotcha.
So it's always going to be better.
just over here, guys, I got a bunch of peppers, and this is gonna be something that's gonna be dropping on soy sauce. That's my next channel. I'm gonna be doing a wings hot ones challenge. So if you guys want to check that out, jump over to that channel. I'll leave the link in the description box. But right now, Kurt is going to be doing his sauce for.
That's just the initial sauce to go in the oven with this.
Okay.
So we got some fresh cracked black pepper. Alright, some seasoning salt.
Now do you know how? Never mind.
I just throw.
Listen to the ancestors.
Exactly.
Every Jamaican says that.
Little garlic powder.
Alright.
Little soy sauce. Ketchup. And I love this paste. It's a ginger paste. So pork and ginger goes very well together.
How did you learn about that one? Did you just see it in the store and just said,
I just saw it in Aldi's and I've been using it. It comes with that. They also have it in garlic.
Garlic. Okay.
Alright.
And it's organic as well.
And basil.
That's bomb. That's bomb.
Good to go. So before this goes in the oven, I'll put the bits in there and it'll roast with it.
Okay.
That'll eventually become a part of our sauce and everything.
Right, if you guys could smell what's going on in Kurt's kitchen right now, it's ridiculous. You can smell the Jamaican spices and it makes you almost want to cough. Yeah. It's that kind of vibe. You might be able to hear the vents going somewhere over here. Yeah, just to give us some ventilation. But boy, it smells really good. There goes Kurt coughing. But it smells really good.
Alright, so we're going to preheat the oven. We're finishing up with that. So it'll be ready to go.
Any specific temperature or
350.
350 like a general?
Yeah, Fahrenheit. Alright, so we're all seared off. So we're going to put this over here for a minute.
Wow, that Jamaican jerk spice is very, very distinct, man.
Right.
Very distinct.
And now we're going to deglaze the pan. That sauce that we mixed up.
Guys, remember, you are the persons that controls the contents that drops onto any channel on YouTube. So get this video to 1,000 likes if you want to see Kurt drop more recipes. I'll start a whole channel for Kurt. You guys can jump over there. And at the same time, if you want him to actually write the recipe for you guys to follow it to the T, get this video to 1,000 likes. There's nothing more, nothing less. Kurt definitely wants to have a cookbook, but he's been lazy. So hopefully with this whole video series, or whenever he cooks, I'll try to film him, and then that will inspire him to start writing the cookbook. So get it to 1,000 likes, and I'll drop it inside the description box so you guys can copy this at home.
Taste the ginger.
I can taste the ginger. There's a little bit of tanginess to it.
That's
spice.
not the end sauce either.
I know it's not the end sauce.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I can feel a little bit of the ginger, the jerk season at the back of the throat.
Not overwhelming at all.
Not overwhelming.
so we're gonna cover it up and put it in the oven and at 350. So we're gonna check it for internal temperature of 160, 165.
Yeah.
And we'll know that it's done, moist and tender.
Because I do remember in my gift box that you did get me a temperature gauge.
A thermometer, yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
A meat thermometer, yeah. So we're gonna use that, make sure it's moist. And then we'll take it out, let it rest, and continue with the rest of the sauce and pour that over it.
Awesome. So a little fun fact about Kurt, guys. Kurt likes buying stuff.
Gadgets.
Gadgets. So there he has that thing that goes onto the fingers, because usually when you're cooking in the kitchen, you're supposed to tuck your fingers in. Something like this, and if you're not doing it a lot, you will tend to forget. So something like that, if you don't want to, could be very helpful just to protect the fingers.
Or if you are arthritic or something.
If you're what?
If you have arthritis or something.
Arthritis, exactly. So depends on your age, you know, you can't tuck your fingers that anymore, then yeah. And this cutting board is really freaking cool. Like it switches into like a yo. See, you have typical Jamaican herbs and spices, scallion, thyme, some ginger, onions. Yeah, ginger.
Garlic.
The garlic here, why didn't you opt for the natural one? Because I know people are going to ask about that.
Because it's just easier and it's fresh.
It's fresh, gotcha.
So we're going to cut up these pineapples.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so it's like a pineapple jerk type of thing.
Yes.
Very island flavors,
yes.
Especially with pineapple. So we're just here kicking back, chilling. I am hungry as hell. I can't wait to eat this pork. It's definitely lingering in the entire apartment. You know a Jamaican lives here. It's ridiculous. Again, guys, don't forget to drop the like on the videos if you want to see this man start his channel. I'll make it happen. Happy holidays to you guys who do that, and for the rest of y'all.
Alright, so we're looking for internal temperature of around 160. We're almost there.
That's like 158.
Yeah. So the FDA says that 145 is good for pork, but no. We're going to stick with the 160. Make sure it's fully cooked. What was that there? 170?
That went to 180 just now.
180. So we're pretty much done. Let's check in different parts of it. Alright, so we're just going to put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes or so.
So currently we've left, well, Kurt has left the pork to rest. And I'm not talking about a nap or sleep or nothing like that. It's just actually leaving the meat so that the fluids inside have the opportunity to stay cooking. And if you cut into it, it'll just fly out. Like they just redistribute through all the muscles and all that type of stuff. But maybe y'all didn't care about that because you just want to eat. But for those who care about that type of stuff, put your meat to rest. Sauce time?
Yes, sir.
Remember, guys, I want you guys to sauce up that like button. Hit the like button, get it to 1,000 likes. Even if it's 100 of y'all watching, just get it to don't ask me how you're gonna do it, but make it happen. We definitely want to see more of Kurt's kitchen. So yeah. So I'm guessing that the pineapples are going to add a little bit of sweetness to it, because that's what I think is kind of missing from the dish at the moment.
Yes.
All right, so the pineapple's there.
We're going to add that in last.
You're going to add that in last. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna make a cornstarch slurry so I can thicken my sauce at the end.
A slurry.
Alright.
That sounds
so that's
like
pretty much cornstarch, or you can use flour.
Okay.
And a little bit of water. And that'll thicken up any sauce that you have, gravy or whatever.
Cool.
Quickly. And without affecting the flavor. Alright,
yo, me and Boss Pan Kurt. Kurt never want to show the gravy master. Tell the people them why you put that in the food.
Because this thing is mad white, so it might lighten your sauce. So I just add a little bit of gravy mass in there to darken it. You could use browning.
I was about to say that because that's not even a secret. Like Jamaican people just use browning.
But this is full of flavor too.
It's full of flavor?
Yeah, so be careful, it might be a little salty.
Gotcha.
That's good.
Good?
Come on, come on.
I don't trust you because that's all I get in, but me must have alligator hand. Bone up the whole of my hand right ago.
Come on, bro.
Yo, make it cool, brother.
I'm not blowing on it.
Make it, bro.
Come on. Just enough pepper. I don't think it needs any more jerk seasoning.
Very flavorful.
All right, let's add the pineapples.
Definitely needs the pineapples because it does have a kind of a tang to it. So that sweetness should solve that, but it's very flavorful, very punchy. And like I said, at the back of your throat, you do get that kick of the jerk seasoning.
You want more pineapples in there?
I think that's enough.
I think it's enough.
In terms of just the sweetness, if the sweetness transcends into it, then it should be good.
Yes. Let it cook down for a little bit. We'll add the slurry and then we'll pour it over the pork.
Why do you keep calling it a slurry?
But that's what it's called.
Really?
Yes. What do you call it?
I don't know. I'm just asking because I know persons will watch a video and like, you know, like, why do you say slurry? You know?
That's the technical name for it.
So that's the slurry.
And watch it thicken right away.
Oh yeah, I can see that.
And you can gauge how thick you want it.
This looks good. Smells good.
Just let the cornstarch cook out for a minute and we're done.
Oh snap. I'm not gonna lie, this looks really good. Smells really good. Of course, I've been in the kitchen for a moment, so the smell isn't as intense as it was before. Right. But regardless, you can still smell it, and it's really nice.
There we go. We're going to pair that with some basmati rice and some macaroni and cheese that I had from before. Good. Alright, so Steven's forcing me. Drop 1,000 likes on the video and we'll see about starting something.
Nah, it's not about see, it's about doing it, man.
We'll see. But drop a like if you like it. There's a lot more recipes out there in my head, so we'll see what happens.
Guys, let me tell you, this smells really good. I'm gonna see how good this tastes, and I'm gonna tell you guys like right now, man. I've never had pork like this, so let's see, man. All right, so we're gonna start with this little mac and cheese. Let's jump into the rice first. Yo, them pineapples got the flavors, guys. Look at that pineapple, guys. Yo. Definitely sucked up all those flavors. Let's get back into the pork. Yo, Kurt! Yo. All right, soybeans. Yo, I'm gonna be dropping a whole bunch of video over on soy sauce. If you guys haven't been subscribed to that channel or haven't even checked it out, jump over to soy sauce. Actually, right now, I'm gonna be filming a video trying these snacks. These are Tokyo treat snacks. They sent this out to me not too long ago. Tokyo's actually, well, Japan on a whole is my favorite place to go to. I've never been there before, but I've been watching a lot of documentaries on them, and that is actually my dream vacation. Maybe some point on Soy Vlogs, I'll be able to film that, vlog that, and actually try the food. But right now, of course, we cannot really travel that much. So I'm gonna travel to Japan through their snacks that they have sent out to me. If you guys want to check out this video, make sure you jump over to soy sauce. Over there, I'm gonna try to put out a lot of cool, fun videos, whether it's mukbangs, food challenges, anything that relates to food, I'm gonna be dropping it over there. So if you no longer just want to be a soybean, you want to also be a Scotch bonnet, because you know Scotch bonnets are hot, they're full of flavor. Jump over to soy sauce, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. A bunch of videos are going to be over there. I actually did a hot pepper sauce wing. Yo, that was literally fire. It's like, first, like, I kind of regretted that video, but check it out, show some love, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. Check out soy sauce. Keep the link.